it will get you killed. Red sugar. Molly, over here! You bug pile. Lighting! Light! I love this grappling hook. Lights up! Light is up! I died in the time I have to take out a looper. I'm totally loaded!
A miner is on the way to join you.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you...
Fire grenade! Stop your bullets! Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please. Help! Look at that hunk of junk! Flares up! Sniper turret destroyed! Lights up! Big bug eliminated! Die, sack! This power station is powering the force field protecting the data vault. I killed the loot bug, and I'm not so proud about it. Purring like a kitten. I found a power station!
Supplies are on the way.
We got a trilliloid deposit here! Pop the loot bomb. Let's get the mineral. Get exploring! I'm taking some of the ammo. Let there be more loot bomb. Open! Sorry, little one. Your own fault for being full of goodies. Don't got room for more. Lighting up! I'm full. Where's Smalley? Ludicrous speed.
Well, well, a tritolite deposit. We thought we'd lost this one. As you can see, previous teams tried getting through the outer shell of this thing, but failed. We're sending in a nanite bomb dispenser for you. If those can't penetrate it, nothing will.
Slot machine for black
Nicely
matrix.
done, team. The core infuser is primed and ready.
Core infuser activated. Took out a loot bomb. See you later. Lighting.
God damn it, there's some trouble in here.
Light is up. We're gonna need support from Haxing.
I hear you. Second hacking pod is launched and incoming. Stand back.
Yeah.
Hacking pod in position. Let's get it hooked up to the power station. Chop chop, team.
Platform. Time to pay Molly a visit. It's a mystery to me how all these minerals fit inside. One of the power stations is here. Hacking pod here. Hacking pod here. The hacking pod landed here. Let's get the hacking pod set up so Haxi can get to work on the power station. Shredder, shred it. Boy, you piece of crap!
Next point, try shredding some tree houses instead.
Transmitter node. Flares up. Transmitter nodes enable at the power station.
Beat this up. Just saying.
Anyone have a free hand? They're not deploying themselves, you know. We gotta hook up that hacking pod to the power station.
Hey, guys! Help me set up the transmitter nodes!
Transmitter node on the way.
I'm setting up transmitter transmitter nodes.
One techno roll on the way. Teamwork would speed this up. Just saying. I'm setting up transmitter nodes.
Hacking pod successfully connected to the power station. Start the hacking drone when you're ready.
Ready to kill some more crates. Feeling much better now. Lloyd! I'm activating the hacking drone. Up there. Look what I found!
The hacking drone is hacking away. Keep it safe, team.
Oppressor on the move! What?
Hacking commencing again. The hacking drone is under attack. Keep it safe so it can work. The hacking has stopped. Get on it, team.
Get your arse back to work!
Hacking drone resuming hack. Hacking drone under attack.
When are we gonna start the hacking? Hey, taxi! Time to get back to work! Attention!
Hack commencing. That's it for the power station. We're almost in, team. Get back to the vault and disable the force field. They'll just be running on emergency power now.
Access provided. Light is up! Platform! Die! Come here! This way! Let there be light! Need more ammo! You're cute!
Nitro's been withdrawn and supply pod is inbound.
Yeah! From A to D, skipping B and C.
Attention, new miner inbound. Great job, team. You brought the force field down and enraged the caretaker. Deal with that thing, post-haste. Supply drone has been ordered and is on the way. Supply Supply pod requisitioned. Launching now.
Lights up! Aim for the eye! It's the only way to hurt the caretaker! You need insulated boots when walking on this thing! Great! Now frickin' turrets are coming out the caretaker!
Hang in there. Supplies are on the way.
Never been better. You scrap heap pile of crap! Let there be God! Watch me fly! Marker up! Guys, are you blind? Look over here. Over here by the marker point. Think you can kill me? Well, thank you, yeah. Found an apocalypse bloom! Shredders! The caretaker is launching shredders! Clear them out! Did anyone think to bring an umbrella? Lighting up! Lighting!
Supply pod launched. Better stand back.
Throw down! Shredder, shred it! Find the open eye and shoot!
Secondary objective completed. Now finish the job.
Lloyd is up! Take care of it! Hey! Watch where you stick those tentacles, you blasted sack of bones! Shoot it in the eye! Getting more ammo! Shoot it in the eye!
Grandpa told me they use real mules back in
See here!
San
Smooth! It tingles weirdly when you touch it. Datarex is strapped down!
Ready to kill some more crates.
Excellent. Deserex secured, and the data vault is destroyed. Our rivals will regret ever setting foot on Hoxie's. Hit the button on the mule to call in a return pod. Drop pod en route. Hang in there.
Getting supplies! Move out!
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieve the mule. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
I know the way! There's up! Now this is how to you lights up! Always slap the knife, take off!
Go Crusher!
Good old drop pod! Watch the fire, moron!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Not the most comfortable ride. Lloyd is up. Lights out. Power's up.